Okay, happy Wednesday, everyone. So I'm currently down on the day. It's my first losing day in some time. So I took a loss pre-market, and yeah, I got wicked out. So I'm down on the day from that. I got slipped a little bit, and then I had a winning trade live on stream. So that's been my two trades today. But going to probably close it up shop here for negative on the day. I'm not going to look to push too much. Markets are already soaring quite high. So yeah, I got a wicked out pre-market, and maybe that's something that I need to learn. Is no pushing pre-market. I need to keep, if I do trade pre-market, I need to keep the trades very, very small. How's your day been, Mark? But yeah, so that's definitely a learning day because I was in the trade pre-market and I actually really did like it. It stopped me out before it ended up going lower, which was a bit annoying. But yeah, at the end of the day, you got to take the good with the bad, right? So I got wicked out, had a trade live on stream, which was really nice, and then yeah, been just sitting on my hands since then. So that's been my day so far, and otherwise, how's your guys' day been? We'll keep today's streams a little bit shorter than usual. I do have to head off for a family uh, function at about 20 past. 20 minutes to. So we'll keep that just the hours on the time. But had a markup during London USD, but no entry. Yeah, flat on the day, no trades. Okay, that's not bad. I do think the longs are obviously very nice later on, but yeah, one good day at a time, right? Look at the ES of the view app green today. Nice. Took the ES. Yeah, I mean, that was really, really nice. Let's just pin the view app again. So it's a 15-minute time frame. Let's pin that. So I got the longs on YM into the open. That's the trade I did take on stream. And then I took a loss pre-market, which I got wicked out on. Let's just get the overnight view app on like that. Add anchor view app. So yeah, that's a really, really nice trade off the view. As soon as you wicket, back up to the highs. Really simple trade, really, really nice. Took the long on ES green. Yeah, so really, really good stuff. Just tuning these guys. They're busy giving me gears. Must I remind you, the richest man in the world is South African. So yeah, I did take a pout on the FTMO account, one of my FTMO accounts today. So that's obviously always good. But yeah, just a bit annoyed on that one account, and that's why I don't copy trade. If I did copy trade, I would be slipped on all three accounts, and that wouldn't be fun. So I guess there is light at the end of the tunnel. But I guess again, I was still pretty annoyed by. I must say, still pretty annoyed by getting stopped out on it before it actually moved in my favor, which was obviously it's always going to be a pretty shit one. especially when it goes in your favor afterwards. But yeah, in terms of the VWAP plays, you could have definitely looked for some nice longs here. So the way I trade, I wouldn't look to buy it right now. We're quite overextended off the VWAP, so I wouldn't look to buy. The longs over here were very nice. Okay, longs over there, and then potential longs over there again. So why didn't you take these ones? I thought these were misses for me, Mark. But your RS3 is always popping, Ross. I always love driving that thing. Yes, sir. So yeah, I think those are the plays, and I felt I might have missed out on some plays by just being too focused a little bit on YM today. You can go rewatch that stream. I did take a nice long on it, but yeah, I definitely felt like I missed out on some nice moves. Yeah, definitely for sure. Get some tracks going. Chill. Got the markups from it, and look into. Yeah, 100%. That's all you can really do, especially when you have a losing day. It's obviously frustrating. Like for me, I got wicked out literally on this, flipping wick on NQ obviously, but I got wicked out on this over here, and then it ends up coming down a bit on NQ. This is yes, but that wicked me out, and then I took a long on YM, which got me some profits back, but obviously I'm still red on the day, which is my first red day in over a month, so can't be too upset about that, to be honest. So we'll move on one good trade at a time. That's all we really can do. And yeah. Yeah, Mark, but it's been good to see you on these streams, bro. You're definitely going to learn from being on them, and that's how you're going to grow, right? As a trader, is just getting better one day at a time, yeah? It's always how you're going to improve. It's about how you improve, how you bounce back after a red day, right? That's always what it's about. Yeah, getting a little bit pop here as well, but nothing that I'm too interested in at the moment on any of on my Go Champ accounts. So make sure to go check them out. The link put over here. So this is their free competition-based accounts. Make sure to go check them out. The link is over here, and then go check out all my socials as well for my streams and everything like that. I do appreciate you guys always coming on, asking questions, especially you, Mark. You're always here every day, bro. So yeah, we definitely do a meetup, South African meetup soon for sure. See what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin's also trying to rally. Gold actually flushed quite a bit lower. Interesting. And then YM was flushing lower at the open. YM's actually still down on the day. Yeah, Tesla up 7%, Microsoft up 4%. So things are definitely moving. Crazy. It's just been straight line higher. Look at NQ. NQ straight line higher. As I said, I do need to head off 20 minutes too. I got just a family function that I got to be at for a little bit. So I do appreciate you guys knowing that. And yeah, otherwise, just chilling. We'll bounce back tomorrow, that's for sure. One good day at a time. I'll post that up on Twitter later or once I get back from the function. But yeah, appreciate you guys always being on. Again, I just think like right now it's pretty extended, obviously. At a markup now on NAS with along off the half session view up. Yeah. That's obviously moving higher. So that's one of those days where you just want to play to the momentum, right? 100%. Agree with that. Yeah, one losing day, as long as you manage risk and you keep your accounts alive, is fine. You're going to have drawdown periods. That's a fact. So just keep yourself alive. Give yourself another fighting chance. That's what you got to do. Yes, James, could you have took regular trading view ups, reclaim and yes, 100%. So you mean like the New York session open, like this one there? Yeah, I mean, I missed it, but definitely think that was a nice trade, 100%. I think that was really, really nice trade. Yes, I did pick up a new top one account, only 10K, but just going to be super aggressive on it. Yeah, I mean, if you go for the small accounts, you do have to be more aggressive, I believe. So nice. Mark, good stuff. Again, just obviously know what you're willing to lose on them. That's for sure. That's the only thing I will say on that. Don't, like, if you risk 2%, you can obviously lose 2%, right? So just know that. And yeah. What's up, Darren? Darren, red day for me today. How's your day going? I'm sure you got those longs. I got wicked on a little bit too much size pre-market, so got wicked out on that. And then just got the longs on YM at the open, and then before it flushed, and then just haven't traded since. So just wanted to protect the downside. I was a bit annoyed when I got wicked out and then end up coming lower for me on the Nasdaq. I was in that wick over here off the daily view app. I was shorting over here, like there, and then I got wicked on a Trump tweet like that. Got wicked on it and ended up coming lower. So I was a bit annoyed. And I thought, let me just, then obviously I missed this massive move higher, which is a bit annoying. But again, like, you're not going to be perfect every single day. And I just had to clock it up after the win on stream. I was just a bit annoyed, to be quite honest. So yeah, let me get actually my trades up for you guys. Like this. Can quickly share my trades. And then we can... we can wrap it up here in the next bit. Let's go like this. My trades up here. There was it there. That. And like this. So I got wicked out on this. Short off the daily VWAP pre-market, got wicked out on it before it ended up coming lower, so I was really pissed. And I lost like $3,000 on that trade, and then I made like a couple, like $1,000 on this trade. So I'll be down two. I should be down two. So I got sorry, it was $4,000 on that first trade, and then I made like $1,000 on the next one. So I'll be down three. yeah, I was in a 2 grand flip and slip my stop, and then I took this quick little long on stream on YM. But I do feel like I missed out on some really nice longs too late on the session, just because I was a bit annoyed. So yeah, one of the cutscenes of trading was all going. Yeah, I got a long mid orb, and then yeah, one nice one and done one. Yeah, brilliant. That's exactly how I should have traded if I wasn't long short pre-market on the little skull plays. I think sometimes those little skull plays pre-market stuff me up personally. But yeah. Oh, 300k at FTML. I'm gonna try go for max funding soon. That's for sure. So maybe. Maybe pick up another 100k, or ask them to pause one of the 100ks and go for 200k. I might ask them to do that, something like that along those lines. I'll see what I end up doing. Yeah, so really good stuff. I mean, it's really extended right now. You would want to be buying over here off those VWAPs. I've spoken about those on my streams. You want to be buying off of those VWAPs. You could sell a position here at the top, but I don't know if it would be the best entry. Like, yeah, we'll see what happens. But I don't, yeah, we could sell a position. It's way too hard to be buying right now. But yeah, that's just my thoughts. It's quite cool. This GoChamp account's pretty actually easy to navigate through. So especially for like Mark testing it out or trying different things on these GoChamp accounts is pretty cool to use. Perfect. So yeah, as I said, guys, after this stream, I'm probably going to just chill. I might be on Ace of XTB tonight. It depends what time I get back from that function. But yeah, I do appreciate you guys as always. And we'll see you guys all on the rest of the week. These markets have been very just massive balls to the high side. We're almost back at all-time highs if we go to the daily chart. So like all-time highs on ES, we've actually hit all-time highs today on ES. Right, that's we're sitting at it right now actually. So trading at all-time highs will definitely be a little bit more different to trading at getting to all-time highs, if that makes sense. I still can't believe YM is down so big, but the other two indexes are absolutely ripping. I haven't seen a day where it's been so divergent like that in a while. But that's why I like scalping. I haven't seen a day like that in a minute where it's been down massive like that, but the other couple of indexes are like ripping one dimension to the high side, literally. So Tesla is the one that's 7.8% on the day. Wouldn't be surprised to see some profit taking on it and maybe get a pullback on the indexes to end the day personally. And we've closed on the high 2 days in a row, but yeah, I wouldn't be, as I said, I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a pullback on it. All-time high dump to the new lows. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that. Geez, we're actually up 100. So I'll close that little winner on NQ. We'll try and leave ES to see if we can run. But yeah, as I said, I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a sell-off to end the trading day on these indexes, for sure. just because we've closed at all-time highs. We are at all-time highs, and we've closed on the highs 2 days in a row, right? What we're doing now. So NQ 26202. Yes, 7034. Yeah, so we're up on that ES position. NQ, can see if we can scale luck back into NQs, so like that. To take profits on the first original position of like $100. So see if you can scale back into it. As I said, just a little bit too high for me to be buying, so I'm just trying different things on this GoChamp account. On my main FTMO account, I'm going to stay red on the day. I'm not going to be looking to trade that anytime into the late session. Most of the time, I'm done trading on my main, like my personal and FTMO accounts by the time this time rolls around. I took 2 trades. One, I got wicked out. Let me bring it up again. I did go over it early in the trade, early in the stream, but I can definitely go over it again for you. So these accounts I don't count, like the GoChamp accounts, I'm trying to do different things on them. I'm going over my main trades that I take on VIA, like that. Like this. So I took 2 trades today, one on NQ, which this one pissed me off. That's why I traded very small into the open compared to usual size. I'm just going to trade into the open going forward. I tried the shorts off the New York session VWAP. This is pre-market, right? Sorry, off the daily VWAP. This is a pre-market trade. I got wicked out on it. Ends up coming low. I was just looking for like 30 points on it. Wicked out, steps my stop. I got filled at like double my stop loss. I was risking 2K, got filled negative 4K. And then I had this winning trade on YM, 30 points into the open. So those are the 2 trades. I don't hate this trade pre-market. I just think that most of my base trades don't come pre-market. So I definitely need to be aware of that. So those are 2 trades I took today. And we're still up on these. So bag another 65 there on. There it goes. What's this? What are these guys doing on the leaderboard? Yeah, so these guys crushing it. So bagged another 65. So yeah, just on these old scalps of the highs. Not too bad. But yeah, those were my 2 trades today. Yeah, I agree. It is pretty crazy that we are at all-time highs. I agree. It actually is pretty wild. Cool. So next 7 minutes, we'll close up shop here. We'll see you guys on stream tomorrow. I'll be on my YouTube at the open and then again on the stream at 12 Eastern time. I am probably going to go ahead to ASFX TV and then I just got to run off to a family errand. And then I'll be back on for ASFX TV. Yes, sir. So up 40 on that ES position. What's gold doing? Very interesting. Thanks for recap. Your recent run is inspirational. I appreciate that. Yeah. And again, you're going to have negative days, just like I've had today, right? So as long as you manage risk, like I lost 3 grand today. I'll get the exact number at the end. I got slipped on the stop, so I don't want to even see. I was so pissed. But yeah, you're going to have red days as well. But I got my max loss limit in place, and that protects me my downside. And as you can see, I could have made it back today, but trading the longs. But I'd rather just step away. It causes me to do dumb shit when I get slipped like that. So yeah. By the way, what did you change coming into 2026 for that run? Just more aggressive profit taking, I would say. And obviously always having my max loss limit in place, daily loss limit, but more aggressive profit taking, I would say, is something that I've done that's helped me just bag profits and then move on to the next good trade. That's one of the things that has really helped me make money in this run. So yeah, I appreciate you being on stream. So aggressive profit taking, not trying to catch the full move. That's definitely helped for sure. 100%. Good to have you on, Ash. Low RR, yeah. So like 0.5 to my average RR has been between 0.5 and 1 hour. Yes, sir. Yeah, so low RR being way more aggressive in the profit taking. That's definitely been what I've been focusing on personally, and it's helped me tremendously. Obviously, you guys have been seeing the run that I've been on. I'm close to 50k payouts with FTMO. I do want to get I do, however, want to get the max funding with them. I will hit the scaling plan on one of my accounts. The other account, I just need to wait for the time period to lapse, which is 4 months. You guys know the FTMO scaling plan. After 4 months, if you made 10% and you've taken 2 payouts, they give you an extra 25%. So on a 100k account, they'll push your 100k account out to 125k. Cool, guys. Yeah, we're just scalping these shorts here on even Nasdaq. I mean, we can try to sell on the Nasdaq again. I've had 2 winning trades on off the highs here, funny enough, but we'll try another little one at the top there. But yeah, it's obviously been a day to be long, but I'm just trying to play around with the all-time highs here on this GoChamp account. Make sure to go check them out. We'll see you in the on the stream tomorrow for my open streams. And yeah, I really do appreciate you guys. Like, yeah, I really enjoy chilling with you guys on stream, I must say. Darren, I appreciate you. Darren, Mark, you know, there's a couple of you guys that are on here every single day, and I do appreciate it. Cheers, Hash. I appreciate you joining too. Obviously, you know, I'm just trying to share my journey, what works for me. It's not always going to be perfect, and that's the beautiful thing about trading. You can always be better. So yeah, I do have to run towards this family event function, call it whatever the hell you want. But yeah, I do appreciate you guys being on with me as always, and we'll see you on my stream then tomorrow. Yes, sir. Cheers, guys. Have a great rest of the day. From South Africa. Much love, my brother. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you then. Cheers.